So apparently in a few days here, there's going to be camels here you can ride. I'm pretty sure you can ride them. I think that structure they're building there might have something to do with it, or this had something to do with it. This is over across from 88 Shades on East Main Street. There's Camel Stop Auto Repair. Pretty sure they're not in business. There's that grocery store I was looking for, AJ's. I might take a walk in there. And right over there is where the karaoke is. At Horny Toads, I think. Definitely some really good deals in here. Well, as far as food goes in there, it's basically all expired. I mean, out by a month. Easy. Stuff I'm not putting into my system. There wasn't a lot going on at Quartzsite. Pretty slow. I didn't find much interesting. I found a grocery store, but like I said, I got deodorant and some stuff like that really cheap. $2 a stick for Axe. That's not bad. Everything was just real quiet, so I came back. I'm not leaking out of that corner yet. I did take all the levelers up. Probably gonna go ahead and start with that tracker, cleaning it out and getting some stuff organized. Found a couple problems here. One of them is that white wire. Looks like it should be in that plug. Not quite sure what that's for. The other is that hole right there for the breather. I think is what that is, breather. Or the, yeah, this is the filler probably here. And that has like threads on it, like it's supposed to be threaded into here. I dropped my drill bit between the water tank and the wall. I'm gonna go see if I can find a magnet. It's 5:30 in the morning. This stupid truck's been out here running for an hour. I don't know where it's at. It's extremely loud in my bedroom. It's ticking me off. This is what it's like here. You can hear that diesel truck now. He's been out there about 45 minutes running. It's about 7 o'clock, 7:15. The other one was it's still running also. An old RV. I guess they needed to charge their batteries for 3 or 4 hours this morning. Well, at least 2.5. 2.5, I bet. That whole time that guy sat out there this morning, he left. Sat out there running that diesel truck. I know I probably sounded angry, but I've been having a hard time getting any sleep. And when I do fall asleep, I don't want to get woken up by idiots at 5 o'clock in the morning idling their vehicles. Whenever I come to a place like this, they say, this is quiet time between these hours, and sitting out there idling your vehicles during quiet time seems to be okay. Here, running backhoes. The day before, it was yesterday morning, 5 in the morning, there's constant backhoe running back and forth, taking pallets places. Alright, that session's over. I'm going to cheer up now. I'm going to run to the RV parts store because I pulled my the cord you use to open and close the awning. I pulled the thing, I ripped it right out somehow. So now I can't even close it. I can't close it because it's going to slam against the thing and probably break. So I'm going to run down and see if they have a new one there. There's a second thing I needed from the RV store, and I don't remember what it was. I can't for the life of me think of what it was. I keep looking around. I just can't think what it was. So what I'm going to do, I know I wanted to look at, see if they had a voltage regulator, but I'm 99% sure that's not the problem. Because even if it did need a voltage regulator, I'd still have voltage going to it, and I don't. I'm not going to waste my money buying a regulator unless I have power coming in and not coming out or something like that. But that wasn't what I needed. I needed a second thing, and I can't think of what it was. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go try and fish that screwdriver bit out by the water tank. It goes to my electrician's screwdriver, and I really like to have that every piece that goes to it. So I'm going to bring out the big magnets, the safe magnets. No, I'm not going to bring out the big safe magnets, the earth magnets, because they're I could damage something with those. But I'll bring out maybe the fishing magnet and try that. And I'm just going to work on it, try and get that bit up. I'm also going to work on emptying out the tracker, because I'm going to load that TV in the back and see if I find a place where I can recycle it. They gave me the name of a place. I'm going to try there first. It's not where I'm going, but I'll take the car, and that way I can have the TV with me, because I'm not strapping that to the bike. So I'm just going to go mess around for a little bit. It's 12:30 already. I mean, I haven't done anything. I feel like I've accomplished nothing today. I still need to go up to the office, pay for next week, for the next week here. I might do that tomorrow, because I went there Christmas Eve, which means New Year's Eve should be a week, I think. Yeah, it's usually a week. So maybe I'll go there today or tomorrow. I don't want to lose a day on paying too early. So I'll be back in a bit. I just found out that you can order Amazon to your site. I've been ordering everything to Tucson. I was going to go pick it up on the way back. Now I'm not going to have any problem finding that strap now, because I guarantee I'll find something on Amazon. That was such great news. I saw UPS pull. I'm like, what the? So I walked down and asked the guy. He gave me the info to use. I said, you're awesome, thanks. This is that RV shop at the other end of Coon that we passed on the bike the other. I think it might have been in a bike or in a car. Apparently they sell parts in here. I want to see if they have one of them straps. I like to put it on today, because I don't want to leave that thing open if it gets windy. And they have one in stock. That sure beats waiting for Amazon to get the wrong size or something. So I found, after a comment on one of my videos, I came on 95 North for a little bit, past where I went last time. I'm looking for that landfill, which is right here. So there is BLM and LTVA or whatever it is, clear out here. I think it goes quite a while. So I'm here at the dump. I told her exactly what I had, a CRT tube television. And she told me where to go, which is basically just an regular dumpster, which kind of threw me off. I said, it's a tube television. We don't do anything with them, just throw it in the dumpster. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but so I came up to pay her, and she goes, unless you want to give me $20,000 million, I don't want anything. I said, it's free? She said, yeah, unless you have a big trailer or something. So I unloaded that TV, got to see some. In fact, I'm just going to go left and keep on going out and see how long this LTVA is, or if it's an LTVA. I can tell by that building with a flag. I think the person that commented and told me about this was L-U-N-D, Lund, I think was her name. So I decided, because I wanted to explore, and I got an 18-wheeler on my butt. So I'm going to see how far out. There's some Saguaro. Doesn't really come with instructions, but I'm guessing this is going to have to like squeeze into there. I don't know, but I'm going to need two hands for this. Turns out, in case you're ever doing this, if you look at this end, you're looking at that tube on the right, got an opening in it. I cleaned all the mud daubers out, and then it just slides right in there and slid all the way down. This side here doesn't have an opening. So this is what's wrong with the water tank. These threads are stripped. So I need this piece. Nobody around there has it. They have similar but not the same. And I'm going to look on Amazon and see if I can find it. I don't know what it would be called. But that's gonna wrap it up for today. I'm a little worn out. I'll take a break. It's about 4 o'clock now.